Hey everyone, today we will be making creamy pesto pasta, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making our pesto. Clean your basil and remove the leaves from the stem. Then grate some Parmesan cheese. Next, in a food processor, add 2 cups of your basil leaves, 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Then process your ingredients until finely minced. When you're finished with that, gradually add in half a cup of olive oil. Next, add a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Process everything until well combined and then set your pesto to the side. Next, in a large pot of boiling water, add your noodles. Cook your noodles for however long it says to on the box, and don't forget to get some pasta water too. When you're done cooking your noodles, set them to the side. Next, in a large pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Sauté your onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once you've sautéed your onions, add about a tablespoon of minced garlic and then let that cook for about 30 seconds. After that, add some red pepper flakes and cook that for another 30 seconds to a minute. Next, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once your butter is melted, add 1/3 cup of your pesto. Mix your pesto in with the other ingredients. Then add 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Mix everything together until well combined. Next, add 1/4 cup of your pasta water and then mix that in. Let your sauce cook until it becomes thick. Once your sauce has become thick, add 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix the cheese into your sauce and then add a half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now that everything is mixed together and your sauce is nice and creamy, add your noodles. And that's it, you are finished making your pesto pasta. All you have to do now is plate it up. And this is the finished result. This pasta was so good. It was absolutely delicious. I would totally make this again. I wanted to make some pesto pasta after watching the new Disney Pixar movie Luca, so I decided to make this and wanted to share the recipe with you guys. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!